welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. It's Imani Ariana, and today I will be unboxing Luvme hair. Okay, so let's get into it. First things first, they give you so many gifts, and I'm just so juiced about it. Like, I got this wig for Christmas. My sister had bought it for me, and the first thing that I seen in the box was this curling iron. Mind you, I don't even know how to use a curling iron, but I was just so juiced about it because who gives out a whole curling iron? Like, I've heard of places giving out flat irons, but a curling iron, poo, that go crazy. Okay, so then they give you this little pamphlet that basically just has the care instructions and the return and refund policy on the back. Then there's this little pouch, and it came with a bunch of little goodies. And I thought it was so cute, like holographic. Yes, come through. And so they gave us another elastic band for the wig, some bobby pins. This thing, tell me in the comments, please tell me what it is. But I don't know what this is. I'm thinking it was a headband, but then I was thinking maybe you use it to curl your hair. That's me looking like, what do I do with it? I didn't know. And also some tweezers was in the bag, and I was juiced to find those because I love me a good pair of tweezers now. These tweezers are low-key dull, like they kind of suck, but I think it's the thought that counts, and it was really nice that they gave it to us. So on the packaging paper, they leave a cute little note. I thought that was really cute. And then they give us a deluxe wig cap, so 2 wig caps, nude wig caps, and I thought that was nice. And they gave us a cute little Luvme hair clip if you're into those. And this I did not know was in there. Like I said, I got this on Christmas. I already had opened the box before, but obviously I was rushing through my gifts because I did not know I had a whole hot comb. And that's me juiced as heck, because that was my initial like, I have another hot comb. Like, yeah, I was juiced. So yes, girl, I don't know if you're gonna get a hot comb in your order, but I got a hot comb and a curling iron. A hot comb and a curling iron. Like, you would think I would have paid $500. Like, no, boo, no. This is honestly really worth it. Now onto the unit come through packaging. I just love the way that their packaging is looking, from the box that it comes in to the little holographic pouch to the bag that the hair comes in. Like, they step their cookies up for real. On the box it says affordable luxury wigs, and it is definitely giving. Okay. So as you can see, this is where the parting is, but you can part on the sides, and the side parts are as deep as that initial part was. Okay, so they give you an elastic band. I already saw it on the wig, which is pretty helpful, being that they gave you another elastic band in the box. Like, okay. Then the construction inside of the cap looks like this. And then they give you 1 comb in the front, 2 combs on the sides, and 1 comb in the very back. Then there's this little piece of lace in the back. I'm not sure what that's for. Maybe if you're trying to put your hair in a ponytail. Like I said, I'm not sure. I won't be doing that or using it, but yeah. So I do believe that this wig is in fact 20 inches, but I will have the link down below with the exact measurements and all. Hey guys, so I'm back, and this is what the unit looks like. I just did a little bit of customization in the front, plucked it, did some baby hairs, plucked the hairline a little bit because it was fairly thin. Also, I bleached the knots. I put a little bit of makeup in my part and on my lace, just some pressed powder. I can show you guys the powder. Ruby Kisses, No More Blemish powder. It was recommended to me, like, well, not recommended to me, but from another YouTuber I seen, and they were like, I use the Ruby Kisses, so I'm using the Ruby Kisses. I don't think that it's a guy. I forgot his YouTube name. I swear I wish I remembered because I loved his videos. But he used Ruby Kisses, always swore by it. But I think it was not the powder. I think it was like the cream. So yeah, mine is the powder, but Either or I'm sure will work fine because it works for me. This is the hair completely dry. And I just love the curl pattern. Like, it's like deep enough but subtle enough. It's like, because I usually wear like kinky curly hair, and I just love this loose curl. She is really cute. This is her completely dry. I put some mousse in my hair. Not all this mousse. I've been having this for like 2 years. But yes, I used some mousse, not a lot. I also put some gel, this gel, I think it's called Labella. I used this gel in the front to, like, you know, smooth it backwards, and then just brushed it. And then of course I use a misting spray bottle because I didn't want the hair to be extremely wet, but when the hair gets frizzy, I will definitely just be wetting it. Maybe, and I also put gel on the ends so the ends won't be puffy and it'll still have, like, you know, the curl. But yes, guys, so far so good. I'm loving this hair, literally loving it. Like, I just love me hair now. Like, I'm loving the quality. The quality is definitely worth the price. Not only the quality, but all the gifts you get. Hot comb, curling iron, comb, and other things. Like, that's a lot. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I can't say it no more. I'm loving it. Like, I'm loving my makeup today. But y'all, I will be coming back to you with a hair review. This is just an unboxing slash like initial review, but I will be coming back probably, so I'll be coming back to you guys maybe in 2 weeks to a month. I'm not sure, but when I feel like I have enough like intel on the hair, like where I can tell you the shedding, longevity, blah 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 blah, like when I know, I feel like I know about the hair, I'm definitely gonna come back to you guys and let y'all know the tea on this Luvme hair, period. You like really melt that lace in. I'm thinking this lace will do good. She'll do good because it look good in person for sure. And then, you know, because you know sometimes the ring light make it look a little better, but truly it looks like this in person. I'm looking in the mirror, looks like this in person. If you are interested in this unit, please click down below in the description box, and I will have the direct link to this wig, and also just probably just the regular website link if you just want to go and browse, you know, go ahead and do so. So if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Join my channel and see more content like this, and don't forget to hit the bell notification so you can be notified when I post. Till next time, love y'all.